going from Al-Qassim to Mecca for umrah. We stopped at a deserted place on the way and cooked food. Preparing spices for cooking chicken. Friends cooked together and chatted together. We 4 friends went on umrah. We are from Pakistan and work in Saudi Arabia. We had brought food with us to make our journey more interesting. A large road was passing by us, which was a beautiful sight. Waiting for food. And finally, our food was ready. After eating and resting, we headed towards our destination. Our car broke down on the way. The police saw us and helped us. The police here are very cooperative.
If you have any suggestions for us,
after much effort, when our car didn't start, we called a loading truck.
by clicking the subscribe button because it means a lot to us. Next video. See you.
After loading the car, they took it to a small town nearby. This guy sitting next to me is both my friend and a car mechanic. We arrived in the city. When we arrived at the workshop, all the shops were closed due to Ramadan. Unloaded the car and waited for the workshops to open. The car's fuel pump was burned out. We opened the fuel pump ourselves, while the workshop was still open. As soon as the shops opened, we bought a new one, and my friend replaced it himself. It was the fuel pump that had broken down. After the car was maintained, we filled it with oil and then headed towards Medina. We arrived in the city of Medina. Performed namaz at Quba Mosque.
شكرا حبيبي.
Went to visit the Prophet's mosque. We wore ihram in Medina. Now let's move from Medina to Mecca. Stopped at a hotel on the way and broke the fast. Alhamdulillah, we reached Mecca. Performed umrah.
ما تقولي لها برجع انت اخذتي مكانها.
Going from Al-Qassim to Mecca for umrah. Going to Jabal al-Rahma. Going to Jeddah. Jeddah City. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.